Hey y'all, it's time to repot my fairy castle. Lots of things have been going on around here. We've been getting ready for our hay season and equipment breaking down and pumpkin patch going in, equipment breaking down. And this fairy castle I've had this since it was about 2 inches tall, and it's now probably about a foot and a half. And it's got some real nice growth, but I've noticed it's not looking as happy, a little failure to thrive going on. So that means it's time to repot. And one of my tools I use is a nice sharp knife, and just go around the plant base of the pot here, loosen that up. Sometimes we get real busy, and just spending time with these cactuses make me feel, I don't know, a little less stressed, a little less worried about equipment breaking down and getting ready for hay and pumpkins. There we go. Now, I would definitely suggest using a pair of thick gloves or newspaper, but I don't have a lot of feelings in my hands because I'm a farm girl. So I just pull this right out of the pot like that, and I'm going to take advantage of this time and inspect the roots. They look pretty darn good, actually. Also, I'm going to spray it with a fungicide. This is just a copper mix, real inexpensive. You can order it on Amazon, and I've had this same bottle for a year or better. And just give it a good light spritzing, just like that. And then I have a pot, and I don't know, I got about a couple inches of perlite in the bottom. I like a lot of drainage, and we're gonna see how much soil I need to put in there. Probably about 3 inches to have it sitting up right at this where I want the soil on that. And I have my soil. This is my Crazy Cactus Lady soil. This is soil I make myself. And so I'm going to put about a couple inches of soil in there. It's kind of like cooking. A little bit here, a little bit there. And, oh yeah, I think that's right. Right there where she wants to be. Okay, cool. So I also want to thank everyone for shopping on my Etsy store, Crazy Cactus Lady Kits. Really appreciate you guys. I hope you're enjoying the cactuses and kits I've been sending out to you. Got some beautiful blooming cactuses on there. So hope you're enjoying it. So like I said, I just spoon that in there. I'm kind of picky about, I like my cactuses to be nice and centered because they're a beautiful statement piece in my home. We're just going to do that in there, and oh, that's beautiful soil. One of the things I like about our busy life is we have a lot of people stopping by, and we are social distancing. But I love all the young people, and I love how they like to look at my cactuses. Now, I don't know if they do it because they truly love it or if they just like to see me be happy, but that's okay. I'll take it. Between, like I said, hay, pumpkins, and keeping the horses sound, that's a job right there. So excited that there's some barrel races starting up again. That's awesome. I'm glad to see my daughter making plans to head out. That's cool. I think that's why I started growing cactuses, is when she went away to college. I always loved cactuses, and I always, tried to learn as much as I could about them. But when she went away to college, that's when my collection really grew, because I needed to nurture something, but that didn't take a lot of time because I'm busy. So that's how that started. Okay, so if you notice there, it didn't take very long to take care of this cactus here, and we got her in a brand new bigger pot, which I think she's going to be a lot happier. And the next step is we're just going to let her sit and wait for about 3 to 4 days and rest, because she's had a little bit of trauma, a little bit of excitement in her life. And then after about 3 or 4 days, I'm going to put her back out in the sunshine and water her when dry, just like normal. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate it. Appreciate everyone out there that watches the videos and makes comments. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. All right, have a great day. Bye.